South African defender Mbekisile Mpokazi is attracting growing interest from Europe following an impressive start to life in Major League Soccer with Premier League side Nottingham Forest among the clubs monitoring his progress. Sources indicate that teams from Belgium and Italy have also been keeping tabs on the 20-year-old centre-back. However, no formal offers have been submitted to Chicago Fire that would trigger serious transfer negotiations. Mbogazi joined the MLS outfit from Orlando Pirates in December in a deal worth approximately $3 million. Despite the growing interest, his representatives insist there is no pressure on the American club to sell unless they receive an offer that reflects the player's true market value. Speaking to ESPN, Mbogazi's agent, Basia Michaels of QT Sports, said Chicago Fire have made it clear they will not stand in the player's way should the right opportunity arise, and said Chicago Fire have been transparent in their discussions with us. They are open to selling Mbogazi if the right offer comes in. But naturally, they want to receive fair value for the investment they made. The club has echoed that stance, confirming they would only consider a transfer if it benefits both the player and the club's long-term ambitions. Chicago Fire director of football Greg Berhalter told ESPN that the MLS side remains committed to supporting Mbogazi's development while remaining open to exceptional opportunities, and said, as with all of our players, we would consider discussions if we believed the move represented a significant sporting opportunity for the player and aligned with the long-term vision of the club. Although European interest continues to grow, sources close to the situation say Chicago Fire have not yet received any bid strong enough to spark serious negotiations. Mbogazi's rising reputation has been fueled by an outstanding debut season in MLS, where he has quickly established himself as one of Chicago Fire's most dependable defenders after just 12 league appearances. The former Orlando Pirates star has also enjoyed a remarkable run with the Bafana Bafana on the international stage. After featuring at the 2025 Africa Cup of Nations, he elevated his performances even further at the FIFA World Cup, producing a series of composed displays that helped South Africa reach the knockout stage for the first time in the nation's history. His impressive form has also earned him selection for the upcoming MLS All-Star game in Charlotte on July 29, where he will share the stage with global stars, including Lionel Messi, as the MLS All-Stars face the Liga MX All-Stars. Meanwhile, the fellow South African international Relebohile Mofokeng has already secured a move to Europe after signing a 4-year deal with Belgian champions Royal Union Saint-Gilloise. Belgium has long been viewed as a possible destination for Mbogazi as well. Interest from clubs in the country dates back to his time at Orlando Pirates, and multiple Belgian sides continue to monitor his development. For now, however, Chicago Fire remain focused on the defender's progress with no concrete negotiations currently underway. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.